And a Tapu Koko! Good morning, good afternoon, Card Mafia. This is Jules. Open up some packs, see what I get. This is my first video, so definitely hope you guys enjoy. Water Energy. I have one more pack from that left. From the one I split with Pat. Karina's Focus, as I need to focus. Tower of Darkness. Heatmore, that's our first one. I haven't seen it. Pack Shirishu. Okay. Spearow. Remoraid. I'm dead. Fomantis. Mawile. Honedge. Reverse. Hollow. And a Bronzong. Holographic. This is our first holographic. Looks like there's some spots on there. Never seen that. You guys ever seen that? Comment on there. Is that a error or a defect or something? With that being said, I'm still gonna put that in a little slicer here. Put that over here. All right, for the last one, for the one me and Pat shared. Last pack. Hopefully it's some magic in here. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Ground Energy. Burkish. I don't think we've pulled that. Haven't pulled that. Honchkrow either. Phoebe, we have pulled some of those. A Zubat. Crochet Zubat. I like it. Lickitung. Yamper with that Pokeball in its mouth. Scatterbug. A Galarian Mr. Mime. We got Reverse Hollow. Electrive. Okay, I like that. That's a nice Reverse Hollow. And a Primate non-holographic. So guys, from that pack, what we pulled that I think is some kind of value. That Bronzong. That Mimikyu. That's a nice one. Full art. Corviknight. Full art. That is beautiful. Entei. Reverse. That would have been nice hollow. A Cherim. Holographic. And a Urshifu. Full art. Rapid Strike. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go to. I'll open one champions. Let's see how we do on our first champions. Now this was a Elite Trainer box that I shared with Pat as well, since he got the booster box. It's kind of hard to open right now. Let's see. Oh, this one's tough. I had to use my teeth on that one. I think the card trick is the same. Code card for you lucky guys out there for that Champions Path. I think it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's at that door? Fire Energy. To start off, hopefully it's some fire. Hopefully we've got a Charizard in here. Hyper Potion. A Sharpedo. That is nice. I love sharks. Great White is one of my favorite. Suspicious Food Tin. Somebody's leaving that. Scraggy. Roly Coly. A Nikit. Ekans. Carvana. Energy. Shiny. And a Dreadnought. Full hollow. Whoa. That's nice. I like that. We'll sleeve that up. Sleeve that Dreadnought. Too bad it wasn't. I believe they have it in Rainbow. I'll sleeve this one up too. This one's nice looking. Let's see. Alright, we'll go back to battle styles. This is something I believe I picked up on the side. One of those cool Target runs that were not fun. That I was super late. Code card for battle styles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come knocking at your door. Leaf Energy. Fan of Waves. Pig Knight. I think we haven't pulled that. Carcoal. Remoraid. Not Remoraid. Crochet Zubat. Lickitung. Yamper. Scatterbug. Phalanx, reverse rare. We've got the non-hollow one. And a Stoutland V full hollow. Whoa. Off the first pack from the random? The random? This is amazing. I like it. Sleeve. We're going to sleeve this bad boy. Those full autos look so nice. I am not going to flex. And I love dogs. I have 2 dogs myself. Had 3. Rest in peace, Max. But yeah, I got American Bulldog and a Pomeranian. That's my other dog. She's somewhere around. She's right there with me. Let's see. These packs are getting a little... I use my little teeth here, huh? Let's see. Let's see what we got. A little card trick here. Let's see the code for you cool guys, lucky guys that play the game. The game is really cool. Learned a lot about some of the cards and what they do. Definitely reminds me, like I said, back in the day, I loved it. What we got here? Fire Energy. Buffalant. Yearn of Vitality. A Speedwapa. Bronzor. T-Pig. Tay-Pig. Perushira. Mifino. We got that reverse. Voltoy. Firo, reverse rare, and then Michelle, non-holographic. Let's see, some more battle styles here. Code 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Let's go Charizard. I think that's it. No, it's not in this. Sorry. Psychic Energy. Carnivine. Phoebe. Indeedee. Minifo. Silly Cobra. Cherubi. Perushi. Perusho. Sparrow. Chat, you gotta tell me. Cherubi. Non-hollow. And a Vilvion, non-holographic, which we've pulled, I believe, 3 of those. Come on, that's like the old Butterfree. I have that feel. It's a moth. She's beautiful. Let's go with a little code here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Metal Energy. Whoa. Did you guys see that? There's definitely a full art here. Fan of Waves. Let me. Seadra. Girder. Timber. Back to back. Evolutions. Esper. Electabuzz. Lickitung. Cherubi, non-hollow. We got that last. Embor, that's new. I like it. Looks dope. And Tyranitar full V. Yo. Oh, I need the one with the buffet. I need it because that's me. That's me. He reminds me of wow. He reminds me of Godzilla, 100%. Two more battle styles here, and then I've got three other battle styles that the lady from Target had to pick. Of course, I thought I was gonna get away with the 2 packs of each style, but they said no, it's all the same. So I just told her pick 4 to the door. Fire Energy, Firo, Sword Ward and Shelbert, almost like Cisco and Ebert, Bliscor, Hondor, let me rhyme, Silly Cobra, Blipbug, Esper, Frillish, Primate, Reverse Holographic, and a Tapu Koko VMAX Full Holo. Back to back full holo, full holographic, full art. That I like the colors. The colors on this is beautiful. Man, keep the luck going. Keep the luck going. One more pack of these battle styles here, and then I'm gonna open some Champions Path. No, actually, Crimson Invasion. I'll open 2 of those, and then we'll go back to Champions. Code card here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. We've had some good luck, guys. Water Energy, Spupa, Urine of Vitality, Bolifant, Esper, Roly Coly, Saladit. Why is it so sad over there? I don't know. It looks creepy. Corphish, Galarian Slowpoke, Bruno Reverse Holographic, and a Vilvion. Vilvion, you just keep getting us. Keep getting us, Vilvion. Now, for some Crimson Invasion. You're gonna go with me. You tell me if I get something dope. I know I need full arts and rainbows and golds. We in there. Let's see what we pull today. Little code card coming out to you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this just as much as me. Like, this is, I've had some good luck so far. I'm so hyped to get back into this. Ground Energy, Miltank, Sea of Nothingness, Gastrodon. That looks dope. What about that? You want beef? You got some beef? Stuffle, Execute, Jigglypuff, Chimicho, Spoink, Gastrodon Reverse Hollow. He wanted that beef. He gave me 2 of them. And a Starmie non-holographic. Okay. You know, we do what we could do. Another Crimson Invasion Sun and Moon pack. See how we open these. I appreciate you guys rocking out with me and being here for my first video. We're going to look at this later on in some years or some months and see the growth. Still working on my craft here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Let's see how we do. Leaf Energy. Grumpig. I like the art on that. Cicinco. Azelwas. Execute. I'm butchering these names, by the way. Minsecue. Mincino. Numel. Sweenub. Swablu. Remoraid. Not Remoraid. And Altaria. Non-holographic. All right, Crimson Invasion. Gotta give me some here. Gotta give me some. I had 6 packs, 7 packs. Come on, opened up what, 2? Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Let's give us 3rd pack magic, maybe? Maybe it's not the first for us. A little code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. I have a feeling we're gonna get something good here. Leaf Energy. Zealous. Pillspine. Peaking red card. Jagamo. Mankey. Remoraid, we just got that. Reverse rare. Shellos. Bunnelby. Pillowswine. Reverse. And a Milotech. Holographic. Our first holographic. Told you it's going to be something good. It's going to be some. Hey, I'll take a holo. Full art, holo, rainbow, gold. Anything's good other than a non-holo. Look at that. It's nice. Nice holo on that. Alright, we did pretty good on that. We're going to go back to Crimson Invasion. I have 4 packs of Champions Path still. And I have 3 of Crimson Invasion. We're going to open up another one. Code card for you lucky guys out there. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Let's see. Metal Energy. Azelwus again. Pillswine. Peaking red card. Swablu. Spoink. Chimicho. Jigglypuff. Execute. A Militech reverse. I see a full art. And Dale and Gollum for our first full art. That is beautiful. I'm sleeving both of them. Just gonna sleeve both. Just gonna almost dropped it. It was good. Galarian Gollum GX. Woo! Nice. Let me sleeve this reverse just because the other one was a holo. Just not gonna even fight that one. Let's go one more Sun and Moon, and then we're gonna go to Champions Path and see how we do there. Gym was crazy today. Started my fitness journey as well. And then the code card. Want to lose about 50 pounds. COVID kind of, made things a little different. Couldn't travel or do anything. A little dark energy. Fighting Memory. Leron. Psychic Memory. A Misdreavus. Spoink, oink, oink. A Hondur. Jiggly, another. Execute. Execute reverse, back to back. And a Mama Swine, non-holographic. Let's switch gears. Let's go to Champions Path. I got a good feeling on this one. Think you can pull a Charizard. Let's see how that works out. Another code card comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Team Yell, Grunt. Those guys were annoying in the game for Switch. Beatty. Sharpedo. Weedle. Perleon. Pokeball. Inkay. Galarian Zigzagoon. Ooh. Holographic Water Energy. And a Linrock Holographic. Good hit. Good hit. I'm sleeving both of them. The energy's beautiful. I'll take it. I like the energy. I like you guys' energy. Please comment. Let me know if I need to boost this energy up or not. But boy, have I been getting good today. We're gonna go one more champions. One more champions. What's the little dessert? Let's see. Little code. One, two, three, four to the front door. Leaf Energy. Great Ball. We already got the Pokeball. Sonia. Rotom Bike. Nikit. Swablu. Machamp. Galarian Zigzagoon. Vulpix. Team Yell Grunt. Those no. Reverse Hollow. And a Dreadmouth. VMAX. For the hit. Oh my goodness. Wow. Beautiful. Let me hurry up and sleeve this before I make some I don't like. That was nice. Alright. Let's switch gears to Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. I got 2 more packs of that and 2 more packs of Champions Path. And then we're going to go to the Target Lady's picks for her 3 battle styles. Another code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy. Larion. Gladen. Sisinko. Saladin. Up to no good. Mankey. Cubone. Not Crying. Execute. Magikarp. I like that. Is that a fake Magikarp in the back? Corphish. Reverse Hollow. And a Beware Holographic. Sleeve that bad boy up as well. Nice. Another Hollow from Sun and Moon. Alright, we'll switch it again. Champions Pack. Champions Path. Sorry. I'm just so excited. This is so dope. Shout out to my coworker Jermaine. He's probably watching this. I hope you're enjoying it, brother. You also got me back into this. Another code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Lightning Energy. Pokemon Center Lady. Victini. Kabu. Swablu. Vulpix. Trubbish. A Roly-Poly. Galarian Zigzagoon. Arbok Reverse Holographic. And a Scrafty Holographic. That's 2 hollows. Straight. 2 different packs. Wow. That's a nice one. I like it. Looks like he's about to do some damage. Now, did I do Crimson or did I do... Alright, we're just going to do Crimson. Just going to rock out. And then I got one more Champions Path and then the 3 Target Lady Mystery Pickaroo. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front door. Metal Energy. Zeluos. Miltank. Counter Energy. Mankey. Remoraid. Shelios. Bunnelby. Another Magikarp with the fake Magikarp. A Gourgeist Reverse Rare. And a Gyarados GX full auto. Oh my goodness. Wow. Gyarados growing up, that was one to get. You never understood why Magikarp was so weak until you evolved him. Wow, even Pokemon Go, it takes forever to evolve. But when it does, that is beautiful art right there. Our last Champions Path. See how we do. And then we're to the last three for the Mystery Target Lady. Our last code for Champions Path. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could this be a Charizard? Could it? Fighting Energy. Jermaine said I'm going to pull one. Milo. Turffield Stadium. Beedrill. Rockruff. Full Heal. Scraggy, as we pulled the holographic last pack. Ekans. Kakuna. Suspicious Futen. Reverse. And our last, a Corsola V Galarian full auto. Full holo. Ah! The pulls today. The pulls today. No Charizard. No Charizard. But I'm happy. Now these are the three she picked. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see if she gave me good luck. Is it good luck? Back to Battle Styles. Hopefully Target Lady shot you out. Appreciate you. Hopefully I pull something amazing. If not, I'm gonna give a complaint. No, I'm just playing. Alright. Alright. Code card going out. Sword and Shield, Battle Styles. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front door. Metal Energy. Bullifant. Crawdaunt. Grumpig. Shout out to my New Orleans people with the Crawdaunt. Yamper. Glammeow. That one girl that has a bunch of Glammeows. Corphish. Scatterbug. Cubone. Not sad. Always good. Egg Slash. Reverse Holo. And a Galarian Mr. Rhyme non-holographic. Okay. We stroke out on the first one. It's alright. Target Lady, I'm watching you, Target Lady. Let's see. Another one. Little code card heading out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our second pack from our Target Lady. Water Energy. Doublade. Cheryl. Rapid Strike Energy. Cubone. Pawniard. Hondor. Shinx. Gilgar. Espupa. Reverse Holo. And our Primate for our second pack, non-holographic. Not bad, you know. No full arts, no golds, nothing to be like, oh my god, thank you, Target Lady. But you know, who knows? It's all about the luck and the positivity. It's all that matters. Just stay positive, and you'll get what you get. You know, you put it in the world, you're gonna get what you receive. For our last pack, for the end of this video, code card, last code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, Target Lady. Give me more. Water Energy. Cheryl. Bisharp. Weeping Bell. Timber. Corfish, Cacnea, Mauli, Spoink, Angislash, Reverse. We already had this. And a Drampa. Sad to say, Target Lady, you didn't give me nothing good. But at the end of the day, I appreciate you for being there. And thank you. But again, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you again, Card Mafia. Till next time, peace.